Hello, Honors Geometry students. This is a quick video to help you get through the topic on ALEKS. I don't remember the title, but it was the one that said proofs. So basically proofs involving triangle similarity. Okay, so here's one sample where we are given that the side lengths PR, I'm just going to draw it like this, to PT is proportional to PQ to PS. Okay, so side lengths, I have two pairs of proportional sides. I could think of it that way. I eventually want to prove the triangles are similar. Knowing that my options for proving triangle similar is either angle-angle similarity, side-side-side similarity, or side-angle-side similarity. I'm given basically two pairs of proportional sides. So my guess is I'm probably going to be using side-angle-side similarity. Keep in mind, the angle has to be the included angle. So anyways, that was given for the first reason. So number two, if we're mentioning the angles, I notice angle P is shared in triangle SPT and QPR. So I'm going to go ahead and say angle P is congruent to itself by the reflexive property. And that's enough information to then say the triangles are similar. By side, angle, side, make sure you select the one that says similarity, not congruence. All right. Here's one more sample ALEKS proof you might see. This one we are given angle R is congruent to angle V, and then we want to prove the two triangles are similar. Okay, once again, possible reasons to prove triangle similar are angle-angle similarity, side-side-side similarity, side-angle-side similarity. Okay, so I know I'm not using side-side-side because I'm given a pair of angles. And if I look at the picture, I know vertical angles are always congruent. And so that's actually going to be step 2. Make sure when you're naming these vertical angles that you use 3 letters, because if I just say angle T is congruent to angle T, well, I don't know which angle T you're referring to. There's a lot of angles contained at point T. Anyways, all right, and vertical angles, theorem, property, whatever ALEKS calls it. So that gives me enough information to say my two triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I may not see it till tomorrow morning though.